Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Fortnite on Opera GX. First, ensure you have the Opera GX browser installed on your computer. This browser is designed with gamers in mind, offering features like CPU and RAM limiters to optimize your system's performance while you play. It's a fantastic way to keep your browsing and gaming experience smooth and integrated. Let's get started with the simple steps. To play Fortnite on Opera GX, you'll primarily use a cloud gaming service. Platforms like Xbox Cloud Gaming or NVIDIA GeForce now allow you to stream the game directly through your browser. You'll need to create an account with one of these services and then link your existing Epic Games account. This setup ensures all your progress and items are accessible, making the transition seamless. Once your cloud gaming service is set up and linked, open Opera GX and go to the service's website. Find Fortnite in their game library and click to launch it. The game will stream directly to your browser window. You can use a compatible controller or your keyboard and mouse, just as you would with a locally installed game. Enjoy the convenience of playing without a large download. For the best experience, utilize Opera GX's built-in resource limiters to free up CPU and RAM for your game. A stable and fast internet connection is paramount for smooth cloud gaming, aiming for at least 50 megabits per second. Also, consider using a wired connection over Wi-Fi if possible to minimize latency. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Happy gaming!
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.